Hi Rocketeers, welcome back to Phonics with Mrs. Myers. I hope you had a great weekend. Welcome back. It's Monday, and on Friday I looked over your quizzes, and I'm really excited for all my friends who got 100%. Also on Friday, I didn't get to actually show you a video, so I didn't get to show you my super cool team outfit for Spirit Week, so I thought I'd wear it today. But if you don't already know, Mrs. Myers is a huge Dodgers fan, and the LA Dodgers are a baseball team. And since I grew up and I was born and raised in Los Angeles, diehard Dodger fans, which is, not a really big fan of the Giants, which I know a lot of you are, but it's good to have healthy rivalries. So if you love the Dodgers, like I know my friend Alina does in the Pioneers, just let me know. Send me a comment down below. But if not, that's okay. You can like your own team. But today I'm wrapping my Dodger stuff. All right, my friends, we're going to go ahead and get started with our phonics lessons today. Let's go ahead and start with our warm-ups. Go to warm up your hands. It's time to rhyme. Clap one time. What's a rhyming word? Rhyming words sound the same at the end. Very good. All right. I would love to see a thumb up if the words rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Let's go lightning fast. Here we go. Toy, joy. Do those words rhyme? Yes. Very good. Boy, ball. Do those words rhyme? No, they don't have the same sound at the end. Join, coin. Do those words rhyme? Yes. Point, joint. Do those words rhyme? Yes, very good. Joy, jar. Do those words rhyme? No. Last one. Soil, boil. Do those words rhyme? Yeah, bonus points. What sound do you hear at the end of soil and boil? Oil, very good. That's why they rhyme. Nice job, friends. Go ahead and warm up your hands. It's time to segment. Clap 2 times. We're going to go back to segmenting on our arm. Ready? Arm out. Put them out. The word is soil. Say it. Soil. Sound it. Oil. Soil. The word is join. Say it. Join. Sound it. Oi. Join. The word is foil. Say it. Foil. Sound it. Oi. Foil. Let's do one more. The word is poison. Say it. Poison. Sound it. Oi. Poison. Very good. Go ahead and warm up those hands. We're trying to go lightning quick because today's lesson's a little long. It's time to substitute. Clap 3 times. The word is koi. Say it. Koi. Take out k. Substitute t. Oi. The word is toy. The word is toy. Say it. Toy. Take out t. Substitute j. Oi. The word is joy. Very good. The word is joy. Say it. Joy. Take out j. Substitute r. Oi. The word is Roy. The word is Roy. Say it. Roy. Take out r. Substitute b. Oi. The word is boy. One more. The word is boy. Say it. Boy. Take out b. Substitute oi. The word is soy. Very good. We're going to do one more. Go ahead and warm up your hands. Warm them up. It's time to add. Clap 4 times. Now, I'm going to give you a word, and you're going to either put an ending word or a beginning word and make those words into a new word. Those are called either compound words or words with prefix and suffixes. Let's practice together. The word is join. Say it. Join. Add ing. The word is joining. Very good. The word is cow. Say it. Cow. Add boy. Cowboy. The word is cowboy. Very good. The word is joy. Say it, joy. Now at the beginning, add N. The word is enjoy. Yeah, that one's a tricky one. The word is Joyce. Say it, Joyce. Pay attention where my hand is, Joyce. Add re. The word is rejoice. Very good. Last one. The word is boil. Say it with me, boil. Add ing at the end. The word is boiling. Very good. All right, let me see your little fires up above your brain. Go, go, go. Clap one time. Nice work, friends. All right, my loves. Today, we're going to actually practice a new skill. We kind of talked about this skill a little bit last week, but this week, all of the spelling patterns that we learned this week are going to be a very specific kind of skill. Now, the skill that we're going to learn today, we're going to learn about silent ghost letters. Now, a silent ghost letter is a letter that comes either before or after another letter. But the silent ghost letter doesn't say anything. Now, this may be a little confusing, and it's going to take a couple of practices to get it down. So that's okay, because I'm still learning. Let's do that together. Ready? That's okay, because I'm still learning. Very good. Now, today, we're going to learn a very specific ghost pattern. But before we do, I thought I'd show you a video of what some silent letters look like. The video that I show you doesn't have the ghost theme, but my anchor chart does, and I think you'll really like it because it's cute. But I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. There we go. I'm going to show you a video that talks a little bit about silent letters.
There are some letters that are completely silent. This seems crazy. Why would anyone invent a letter that has no sound? Well, if I tell you the reason for this, perhaps the silent letters will not seem quite so crazy after all.
Not, knife, knee.
These are all Viking words. But somehow we have lost the first sounds, and now they are silent. Shh! But look, there is a pattern. A silent K comes in front of N. Use this to help you spell like a Viking.
Climb, comb, thumb.
Hundreds of years ago, some people decided we needed to spell more like the Romans. They added a silent B. There is a pattern that will help you. Silent B comes after an M.
Guide, guard, tongue.
The French brought silent U with them. Silent U often seems to come after a G.
Ghost, honest, hour.
The Dutch printed the first books, and they made some words the way they spelt them. They gave us silent H. They can be easier to spell by saying the silent letter, ghost. There are lots more silent letters, but now that you know the history, perhaps it will help you to find them.
All right. So now that we've practiced, or we saw a couple of silent letters, we're actually going to practice a specific spelling today. Our spelling today was actually in that video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and read you a story. I want you to listen for the sound that might be our spelling pattern. You ready? Here we go. Norman the nurse sees a gnat by his food. The gnat puts Norman in a bad mood. The gnat annoys Norman and sounds like this. Mm, mm, mm. Whenever the gnat comes near, he makes a noise in Norman's ear. The gnat annoys Norman and sounds like this. Mm, mm, mm. The naughty gnat needs to be caught. Does Norman need a knotted net to catch the gnat? Norman kneels to swat the gnat. The gnat flies away and says the sound. Mm, mm, mm. Now, today we're going to practice a spelling that has that very specific sound. Go ahead and point to your nose and do the sound with me. Ready? Go. Mm, mm, mm. Again. Mm, mm, mm. Excellent job. Now, we know that we can write the letter N when we hear mm. But another way to make the sound can be a spelling pattern that looks like this. Now, remember in the video and for our skill today, this K is silent. And Mrs. Myers likes to refer to these kinds of letters as silent ghost letters. I'm going to go ahead and show you our anchor chart that's going to help us throughout the week. Let's look. All right, so on our anchor chart, we have all of the ghost letter diagrams that we're going to learn this week and some that we learned last week. Down here, we have MB, makes the sound and this B is inside the ghost. That means that it's not going to say its sound because MB makes a sound And here are some words that have MB. And then we learned about CK, and we learned about CC and how it makes a sound. Very good. Today, we're going to learn a different spelling pattern. Today, we're learning about KN, makes the sound I'm going to go ahead and do that with you. Ready? Watch me. KN makes the sound Let's do that together. Show me your K. KN makes the sound very good. And here are some words. Excuse me, little ghost. Here are some words that have the sound that's spelled KN. Let's go ahead and review some on our board together. Ready? This is a sight word. You should already know this word. The word is no. Say it with me. No. There's two sounds. Oh, no. And here we have our special pattern. I know that KN makes the sound. Very good. And I have it right here on our chart. No. Here's our next one. This one is not a sight word. We could sound out this word together. This word has two sounds. Let's sound it together. Ready? Sound it with me. E, me. Again. E, knee. Like this is my knee. And here's our special pattern. Today we're focusing on, do it with me. KN makes a sound. Good job, Rocketeers. All right, my loves, let's practice some spelling. This is where you need your whiteboard and your marker or your paper and pencil. If you don't have one already, go ahead and pause the video. And if you already have one, we're going to go ahead and do 3 words today. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Number 1, the word is not. Say it with me, not, as in I tied a knot in my shoe. Not. Here we go. Sound it out. Ah, t, not. Again, ah, t, not. This word has 3 sounds. Let's spell it together. The first sound is and what spelling pattern are we using for today? K-N makes a sound. Make sure you have your K-N. Not. Next sound. Ah, ah, ah. Ah. Very good. Not. Go ahead and put your dots. Ah. Not. Put a square around your special sound. K-N makes a sound. Here's our next word. The word is kneel. Say it with me. Kneel, as in I have to kneel down to pick up the penny. Kneel. Sound it with me. Kneel. Again. Kneel. First sound. Use our special pattern today. K-N makes the sound. Next sound. E. Now, am I going to use E? Or am I going to use E-A? What do we think? Today, we're doing challenge words. Yeah, we're going to use E. And if you didn't get it right, that's okay, because you're still learning. E. What's the last sound? Oh, very good. Go ahead and put your sound dots. E. Kneel. Very good. Put a square around our special sound today. Today we're learning K-N makes a sound. Very good. Here's our last word. The word is nice. Say it with me. Nice. Sound it. Oh, let me tell you a sentence. Nice. I have to be safe when I use a knife. Knife. Sound it with me. Knife. Again. Let's spell this word together. First sound. Use our spelling pattern today. K-N makes the sound Next sound. I. Now there's lots of different spelling patterns for I. I'll give you a hint. You're gonna go ahead and just put an I and we're gonna finish it together. Ready? I. Now what goes at the end for I to say its name? Ba-si-e. Very good. Put your sound dots. I. Do I put one under E? No. Knife. Very good. Don't forget to put a square around your special sound today. K-N makes the sound. Excellent job, friends. All right, my loves. Now I'm going to go ahead and read you a story. You're going to look at this story and try to find all of the words that have K-N, that makes the sound. Here it is. When we're done with our story, I'll go ahead and show you one more K-N video. Here we go. K-N makes the sound. My turn. Kendra. I have a friend in first grade named Kendra. Spelled a little different, but Kendra has some new shoes. She knows how to tie the laces, but they get into a big knot. Oh no! Kendra kneels on one knee to undo the knot, but it does not work. The knot is too big. She lets Dad use a knife to cut the knot. Now Kendra needs new shoes all over again. Oh no, poor Kendra. All right, friends, in just a little bit after our video, you're gonna go ahead and go on your Google form and fill in all the words that have K-N that make the sound but let's go ahead and watch another video that has K-N. I think you'll really like this one. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and reshare my screen to make sure that, yes, the sound is on. Perfect, here we go.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Not. 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 Knob. 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 Knee. Knee. Knee.
All right. I love those videos. They're really great to practice. All right, my loves, we're gonna go ahead and stop right there. Make sure you submit all of your work today on your Google form. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep our anchor chart up here for tomorrow. We're gonna go ahead and reveal one of these other ghosts. I wonder what letter we're gonna learn. All right, my loves, have a great rest of your day. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.